Sometimes you may wish to make a video from photos you have on your computer, from pictures you have taken, and you want to put those pictures into a semi-professional video with a narration. Here's how you do it. You use Windows MovieMaker. You import the photos into Windows MovieMaker. You put them on the timeline and then select transitions to go between the individual photos. Then you narrate the slideshow. To do that, you do a test run because you need to have the length of time that each photo is on the screen match what you're saying about it. And when you get that down pretty well, you do your narration recording. Let me demonstrate. The first thing you do is open Windows MovieMaker, which is in my computer in Programs, Windows MovieMaker. And when that opens, you'll see that one of the options is to import pictures. When I click that, it'll take me to a place where I can decide what files to import. I have chosen some that are in my photos of my vacation rental in Princeville, and I'm choosing the top 6 of those, some slightly different sizes here and there. And I click each one of these that I'm going to use, and then click Import, and they all go into this collection of clips. I then choose them in order and put them on the timeline by just dragging them down here. First the exterior view, then the living room, then one of the bedrooms, then the view from the back deck, then the community pool, and finally a sunset shot of Kauai. Now I'm going to change the length of these photos a little bit because I'm going to have something to say about each one of them. You select each one and then you drag this right border. You can make them longer or shorter. There. And now I'm going to put in transitions. These are transitions. You go to Tools and then click Video Transitions. Even though they're not video transitions, they're photo transitions. And you drag one of these transitions to wherever you want it between any two photos. If you come down to the next photo in line, it'll put the transition right where you want it. There. I now have a transition. See, this says transitions over here. I now have a transition between each photo. And now, let's see how this video would be if I narrated it. I'll just make something up as I go along. I'll get the timeline back there, and I'll click this and play and then start talking about each one of these pictures. Hollykeepa Golf Course Home is a very comfortable place. It is located on the north shore of Kauai and has the living room upstairs because the views are better. And the bedrooms downstairs. So you don't have to carry all your suitcases up a set of stairs. It's on the #1 fairway of the Ocean 9 of the Mackay golf course. And it comes with a community swimming pool, clubhouse, and tennis court. The tennis court is through the fence to the left. We hope you come and visit Kauai for its natural beauty and the peace and serenity of our neighborhood. And. As you see, I had too long a set of pictures here, and I think it was here. Let's just, I can't remember, but actually let's just move this one here to the left, about that far. And I hope I'm right. And we'll move that a little to the left. There. Now we're ready to do our narration. And for that, we have to turn on the narration program. So to do the narration, you get the timeline back to 0 again. You go to Tools, and you click Narrate Timeline. And you then start the narration. Hollykeeper Golf Course Home is a very comfortable place. It is located in the Princeville Resort Complex and has the living room upstairs because the views are better. And the bedrooms, there are 3 master bedrooms, downstairs. It is on the #1 fairway of the Ocean 9 of the Mackay golf course, and it includes a community clubhouse, swimming pool, and tennis court. The tennis court is through the fence to the left. We hope you come and enjoy the beauty of our neighborhood and the surroundings of Princeville. And then you click Save. It gives it a name, and it puts the narration down here on the audio list. And when you're done with the narration, you click Done, and then you go to finish your movie by saving it to your computer. You want to give it a name. I'm going to call this Princeville Demo Video. And I'm going to save it in Camtasia, where I have put a folder called how to make a slideshow with Windows MovieMaker. So then I go next. Next. It says that this movie is going to be about 6.5 megabytes. And it saves the movie. It takes quite a while, so I will not continue this recording while the movie is saved. But that is essentially it. When it's done, you can put it up on YouTube, put it on a CD, mail it to your friends. Have fun.